you. Bye. Bye. Your kitchen is nice.
What?
Kitchen, hello. Bye. So guys, hi mama, how are you? Yes, they brought it for thank you. Bye. So happy day, happy day, happy day, happy day. I'm showing you guys my address, sorry. So I ordered new phone. My colleague helped me to order it from noon. Yeah. So they deliver it to a place. So we just came back from work. So I followed her home. I follow her home. And I'm taking my phone down.
وين هذا ايش قد هذا ولا نفضه 5 دقايق
Happy day, new phone, finally. I hope it will be bright, inshallah. I'll unbox it when I get home. Stay tuned. Hi guys, so I'm home. Thank you so much for clicking on my videos. Please consider to subscribe. Happy Friday, Juma Mubarak to all my Muslims sisters and brothers across the globe. If you are watching me, Juma Mubarak. So guys, I have my new phone here, so I'm here to unbox with you guys. So bismillah, alhamdulillah. So my first time ordering something from Noon. Yeah, Noon, N-O-O-N, Noon. Yeah. I'm not going to do this. My friend helped me though. Yeah, I hope you saw the clip before this. Bismillah. This area should be like, do you want to use the bag again? Okay. So, yeah, tada. So it's C55. Realme C55. Yeah. Alhamdulillah. Guys, if you have known, if you are here in UAE, you can buy by installments. But you use your credit card. Okay, so you'll be paying every month some past payments. So let me open it up. In the name of Allah, inshallah. Okay. What am I going to open? Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hey, welcome to Realme family. Thank you. Bismillah. Woo. So this is it. I researched about it and I realized the camera is so good. That was the reason why I got it. So this is the charger. You can see, mashallah, it's so nice. Very nice. Yeah. So this is the cable, charging cord. And this is the phone. Bismillah. Ta-da. Guys, I came across, when I was researching, I saw a video whereby it used this camera, this particular C55 with iPhone, and the camera of this phone was so excellent. So you guys will get to tell when I use it to film. I'll let you guys know. So this is it, C55, 64 MP, up to 256 gigabytes, 33 watts. Like this, you can see the battery, 5000 mAh battery, octa-core chipset, LEOG 88. Alright, so this is the camera side, mashallah. And this is international version. They have Asian version. It means that like when I take it out from UAE, like Dubai, it won't work. That was what my friend was saying. So we choose international version, okay? They have it in different gigabytes. So I choose this 256. The price is a little bit different. So I chose this. It was the most expensive one. Yeah. And it's 630 something. I'll leave it to the screen. Dirhams. So I'll be paying the money every month, like 158 dirhams every month. So this is the phone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is marhaba. English. I should choose Wi-Fi, so I'll put my Wi-Fi password. Okay. So password is there. Connected. Next. So guys, it came with cover. I did not show you guys. Transparent cover. This is it. Realme. It came with transparent cover. The phone too is not that heavy. Anyways, transferred my apps, so I've already had my Google account and all that. So guys, finally, this is it. The front camera is so good, mashallah. Let's see. You guys, look at that. You can see the camera very brightened. This is the video.